my name is Fiona Monroe. I'm the Outreach and Education Manager for Sola Gratia Farm. We are here at Sola Gratia Farm's community classroom in Urbana, Illinois. We are mainly a production farm, a vegetable production farm, and we have a mission to share the food that we grow with those in need in our community. Additionally, in the past couple of years, we've been building a strong outreach and education program to help our community members learn to grow food for themselves and understand how agriculture impacts their daily lives. We grow on a 29-acre parcel. About 18 acres of that is in vegetable production. We sell that through a CSA program as well as several farmers markets, in addition to our many donation partners. We've received some youth educator grants and also a partnership grant from SARE, which we've used to develop our outreach education programming and develop our community classroom space as a place for hands-on learning for adults and kids in our community. And we've also worked closely with many community garden partners and very small-scale growers around our community to increase the amount of food that's being grown. One of the tools that we've developed to help educate our fellow growers is one-pagers with information about specific agricultural topics that many people have questions about. For instance, this year we did a tomato management workshop because a lot of the growers that we work with, the community gardeners, were having a lot of trouble keeping their tomatoes in line and getting the most produce that they could. Having a one-pager that had all the information that we discussed ready to go for them to use in their day-to-day practice has been really helpful, and we've received a lot of really excellent feedback about that workshop.